They're on.
Cool.
Might want to lean in.
Oh, I'll come up out this way.
At least at first.
Yeah, you should.
Just like let them
It's
see
kind of
a
like
bit.
right here, so.
We're trying to be quiet and respectful.
Yeah, just lean in.
Isn't it wonderful?
Yeah.
I just love it. They're not going to be able to hear us very well. And that's okay.
Yeah. Hey, baby.
Nice.
We're on a date.
We're on a date, dudes.
We're at a taco truck.
Yeah, the best taco truck in this part of it's the east side.
Yeah, we're on the
of Airport Road.
We're on the airport road here in Santa Fe.
Yeah.
Historic.
We're trying to be quiet and not too obnoxious.
Yeah.
Because we're already kind of different.
Yeah, we're kind of different here.
And we're different everywhere.
Yeah. My baby ordered us dinner on Espanol.
We got dinner. We can't afford nothing.
She ordered it up.
But we went kind of nuts.
The lady spoke English, but my baby ordered it on Espanol. We're like, we want to have the experience, you know.
Well, I got to practice for when we go
to Mexico.
To Cabo San Lucas. I want to be able to order. And they'll look at me in the same way, like, why are you speaking
Spanish?
Say,
we speak English, and we'll say, well, we speak Spanish, but we'll say it in Spanish for my baby will.
Yeah.
Because she's really the Espanol speaker of the two of us.
It's so nice. We're outside, you guys. Oh, they could tell because my hair is blowing. This is so cool.
Yeah.
We wanted to go on a date, so we just damn did it.
They probably think we're watching something. They don't know we're actually creating something while we're watching us. We're watching us create something while we do it. It's pretty damn amazing. It's pretty damn amazing.
I love it. So we've been getting attention everywhere we go today.
As usual.
But not from the cops. Not in a bad way anyway.
Yeah, they like to admire us from afar now.
Yeah.
Like respect, you know.
Yeah.
That's what.
Yeah, I thought that before they arrested me the last time, but and they did. They do respect me, but if they get an excuse to arrest you, they do it.
Yeah.
Job security, I guess.
I'm not saying that whole respect thing is necessarily something that we share mutually with them.
No, I pretty much call them PIG.
Yeah, and they respect it. They respect it that we call them
the
big
rapper is the big PIG. They are not rappers. They are the exact opposite.
Yeah.
They're the PIGS.
Yeah.
There's something in the pocket. It's saying something like.
I've decided that you could only take 3 aspects of life to describe Santa Fe. One of them would have to be loud car and truck noise.
Loud car, like noise.
Cars and trucks.
And we participated in that when we were cruising. And
there's lots of folks
we probably participated in it
like to
now all the time.
Rev up their engines really loud.
We made a deal not to be obnoxious and bring more attention to ourselves than we already do.
That's why I was making that sound like deep in my
I'm sorry for quiet
chest.
It's not fair to be censored, but it's not fair to be obnoxious here.
They'll confuse that sound with the sound of authentic traffic noise.
Yeah.
And loud and obnoxious truck and car noise in Santa Fe. I think maybe this is ours. No, it's not us.
It's not ours yet. I'm going to switch us out when we can have our Sprite.
Yeah. Okay, and that'd be cool if we could If we turn into, can I look around at all? Okay, yeah. Okay.
Oh, they're seeing all sorts of stuff.
Yeah. Oh, hey. Oh, that's cool. All right.
Really cool.
It's kind of a weird, trippy
looking
kaleidoscope.
for help, right?
Yeah.
It's cool. Well, we can tell me if you want. So I was like thinking of this in the cooler.
Well, yeah. We could be anywhere. Yeah. But I mean, only really like anywhere that was like
really
deep in the heart of kind of Spanish, kind of
like deep in the barrio.
Yeah, we could be in the barrio almost.
We are in the barrio.
We're in the barrio.
We are.
Yeah. This is it. This is the barrio. This is it. So old
we
west.
have to be quiet though. We don't know how to be. We're horrible.
I think we're doing all right. I don't think anybody can hear us. I mean, I always think that. Like, I don't even know.
Might not even
I don't even know if
be
they
able to
can hear us out there in the TV viewing land. But,
Yeah. Okay, let's have a Sprite. Cheers.
All right. Here's to our day.
Here's to our day, and here's to each other, and here's to this wonderful taco truck we found. We'll name it.
Is it we're at Antojitos?
We're gonna name it.
Oh.
But you can go ahead.
Mexicanos, I think.
Cubanos, Mexicanos, I think. Unless we're wrong.
And over here it says Antojitos. Something
Central Americanos. I'm sorry, Central. So, Central America.
Sprite, old-fashioned, old-school, like medio litro bottles.
I love those.
That means half a litro. Half a litro. Medio. Hey, they promised us that the beans here are a little different.
Yeah.
And we pressed them for an answer, but they wouldn't give one. They just said, no, they're different. And we're like,
and I said, okay,
bring them on.
Yeah.
Give us those frijoles. Those weird frijoles. Is that the word she used? Weird?
She said different.
She said different.
Yeah,
She meant weird,
okay.
but I don't know. Maybe not. I mean,
different.
different than what we're used to. She knew because we're different. She knew because we're different. Did you tell him you got that hat today?
Oh, no.
My baby bought a hat today.
I got this hat from Savers.
It's the coolest.
It's the coolest hat in the world. And I'm glad I got it for like $9. It was right there. It brings out your eyes, baby. It sure does.
Yeah, you got the prettiest eyes in the whole world.
Well, we're on a date, dudes, and we've been needing one. We've been trapped. Well, we're preaching to the choir here, but we've been trapped in the house for a year, and we had to come out and spend a bunch of money that we can't afford. And we bought a beautiful. Well, we found. Tell them what we found, hon. And then what we bought today.
I'm trying to remember what we found.
A box of. And then we had to buy a thing to use it.
That. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, we found a.
Lean down there to tell them.
We found a.
Can't both.
We found a box of records.
A box of albums.
Old vinyl LPs, you know.
LPs, is that what they're called?
Yeah, I guess. Old 33, I guess that's the speed.
No, the 33s were different.
But
the 33s were strange.
I think he played the big vinyls at 33 speed, and then he played the 45s at 45 speed.
Oh, the 45s were the
RPMs,
individual ones,
rotations
right?
per minute, right? Yeah.
How in the hell did they figure that out? Not me.
I don't know. That stuff boggles me. You put the needle here, and it makes that music.
That's weird. But in a way, it makes sense because sound. I don't know. it almost made sense to me. Now it stopped making sense, but like it takes two things touching. Two things touching, like us. We got to touch here. Like touch me, touch me. Okay, like that makes it sound. Not too loud.
Not too loud.
Like that.
We can do it.
Yeah. Okay. Two things touching makes a sound. Not always, but...
Make a kissy sound, baby.
Oh, this is so fun, you guys.
Is that two things touching or four things touching? If it's like two lips or two lips touching?
Well, yeah, it could be two or more things touching.
Ah, yes, okay.
And so we bought, found this box of albums in the trash.
Yeah.
I mean, and they are awesome. They've got,
I'll tell you what,
what's his name?
Like
I used to have that fucking album when I was a kid.
Worth of albums. Man.
Not an album, but when I had the
that many
cassette
albums, like
tape.
about as many as you could fit in a whole big milk crate. And I tell you what, that's heavy. You
And,
put that many
my
records
baby
in a
had to
box.
practically get in the
I carried
dumpster to
like
get it
how far
out.
do you think I carried it? Like half a mile?
But who is it that we got in there? Who was it? Remember, we love them. And we just heard a song by him. Dancing in the Dark. Not Dancing in the Dark,
no,
is it?
Dancing in the Street. Dancing on the Ceiling.
Yeah, maybe.
Dancing, yeah.
No, he's not blind.
It's not Lionel Richie.
Yeah, Lionel Richie.
Is it Lionel Richie?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
He's got a hard name to remember. It's not my fault. Lionel. Lion. With an L-E-L at the end. Okay, is that it? It probably look weird laying on the table. It's like a song called Lion on the Table. Lionel Richie, Lion on the Table. Like there's an actual lion on the table. And that's, we're on the table too.
Yeah.
But we got and besides that, we got some wacky, weird, different ones. And so we had to buy a thing to play them.
Yeah, we needed a record player.
A record player, and we're carrying it home.
And we ended up, by happenstance, at Target.
Yeah, and that's where we got it. On sale.
Cool.
And
that's cool. It's all retro.
And then we found our way here.
It's a record player. You know, they are retro. It's like...
Yeah, that's weird. And now the CD players are kind of retro.
I was gonna bust out with some here, round and round, like
no, don't do it, babe. I hate silencing you. You know I hate it.
I'm not gonna do it.
No, I do it all the time.
Hold back.
Get your eye down here, please, so they can see your eye. I can't see my own eye. Oh, there's your eye. But I can't see my own eye because that spot's on my eye.
Yeah, there's a spot.
But they should be able to see my eye.
I can see my baby's eye.
Isn't it weird to see your own eye? It's like a mirror that goes on forever, but you can't see it. You look in the mirror, and this is like a mirror, and then you see your own eye, and then your eye sees the mirror, and the mirror sees your eye, and back and forth. It's so weird.
Maybe.
What does it even mean?
Yeah. It's well, I know the answer. I'm just not gonna tell them.
Don't tell them. If we tell them, then they'll get spoiled to us doing it for them. Oh, you guys, it's so nice to be here. I'm going to sit up and let it kind of be normal for a minute.
They listen carefully, they can hear our food sizzling in there.
Oh, yeah, that's our food sizzling.
Yeah.
Man, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Oh, it sounds good. We smelled it from far away, and then they took cards. It was like heaven sent, wasn't it, babe?
Yeah.
Heaven sent, S-C-E-N-T.
Smells good. Smells good in heaven.
We smelled it before we saw it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You gonna get it? Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm your horrendous show. Thank you. I'm finding my salt, which I have.
Ooh, it smells good, honey bunny. We got tacos, pollos, with frijoles and the blue beans.
Arroz. That means rice and ensalada, salad. And we wipe our hands off with wipes to get them clean.
Well, what a lovely day.
Yes. Ooh, how nice. Ooh, beautiful. How nice.
They can see that.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, and a roasted grilled jalapeno.
Wow. Oh, yeah, okay, I see. Oh, yeah. Well, the beans are reasonably bean-like. Yeah.
I just hope they got the rent out before we went shopping, man. Or we're gonna have to come up with some money.
My baby spoils me.
Good.
My baby's taking me out for dinner.
Keep it warm because I have to find my salt. Well, I have a bunch of salt in here and I'll find it real quick. It's okay, I have some nice
My baby's kind of a salt connoisseur at this point. She brings special exotic salts from far, far, far away lands.
We got, there's crushed red pepper, there's Tabasco in there.
Nice.
I'm sorry.
It's alright.
There.
Gotta have it. There it is.
Some salt.
There's the salt.
Okay, let's grab a few napkins.
Why can't they see it? It's weird. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
There it is. The salt.
You want any
Look at that.
Tabasco?
Look at that. It's like ink. It's very fine. You could snort that salt. That's crazy. Yeah. I guess that's probably true of most salt, but this is especially fine salt, I would say.
Okay. If you're ready, let's go for it. Because I don't want you to have to wait. This is good. We've only eaten part of a cinnamon roll all day. We've been walking all over town.
Yeah, a lot of walking.
Carrying heavy stuff. Okay. Here's one Tabasco sauce that I doubt will even need that. A little salt.
Sure.
This is just pink Himalayan salt, the old usual.
Oh, they're grilled.
I know,
Like
that's
we
what I
like.
said.
Yeah, okay.
Here, you go first. I'll use what you're gonna use, because I'll... Oh, and it's got cilantro. My baby's venturing out there and having cilantro. These are the beans. It's like pressed, like a bean patty. It's nice.
There you go.
Be careful of your Sprite, okay?
Ooh,
Are you warm enough?
Squeeze a lime, baby.
Squeeze it in. Well, okay, together, okay. I'm gonna throw a little into my Sprite,
Wow, they
too.
give you a lot.
If I can need it. Okay, I'll just squeeze it into it. Ooh, yum. Okay. Rub the top of it. Ooh, yum.
Well, let's go directly to a pepper toast instead of another Sprite toast. To my baby, bon appetit.
Baby.
However you say it in Espanol.
Bon appetit. Salud.
Yum.
Excellent. Did you get enough salt?
I think so.
Oh, I really did.
Oh, so far so good. Delicious.
Thank you. Muchas gracias. Want some more?
Yeah. All right, perfect.
You gonna use Tabasco?
Yeah.
Okay.
We were walking by and it smelled so good, we just had to stop. We're like, we gotta stop.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
Try with this first. Alright. Ooh, spicy, nice. Taco toast, baby?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Two tortillas.
Oh, yeah. We got 2 tortillas and a microphone. Actually, we got one turntable and 2 tortillas and a microphone. We did. We got a turntable. Okay.
And we got a microphone too.
Wow.
Excellent. That was so nice. Excellent.
Nice. It's pretty spicy.
Yeah.
That's where the salad is good. The tomato will help
And
cool it off a little bit.
the chicken is grilled.
That is good. It's good.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Yeah. Perfect. I'm gonna eat my beans like this.
Neato. Okay. Oh, look, there's avocado on the beans.
That is so different. Excellent. It's like butter. Like they made it into a butter and then made that into a patty.
Yeah. Ooh, that's good. So, we'll be sure to include the
Address.
like location, of this place so everybody can find it.
They sent me a receipt over the phone.
We'll put it in the.
So I've got all the information. Yeah.
We can put it in the details before we post the clip or something.
Yeah, we'll put it in the title and the details.
Ooh, this is good, baby. Baby, this is the best date ever. This is so good. This is the real deal.
It's perfect. Nice.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you. I'm glad you're liking it. I'm gonna try the rice. It looks wonderful.
We're gonna walk home from here. It's probably another mile and a half, probably home.
Probably
from
longer.
Here, maybe 2 miles.
Yeah.
So we gotta eat this and get our energy up,
As long as my phone doesn't die, it'll count our steps. This is so good. I want to gobble it up. It's probably about 9 at night and we haven't eaten today.
And this place is, this place is still open on a Sunday night.
So nice.
Well, I'd come back here again.
They're taking down the signs and stuff now. This isn't a meal that you can eat fast. Jesus.
No, in fact, I'm going to slow down.
I doubt they take away the tables.
Nah.
Do they? Yeah.
Well, kudos to these guys. What usually happens to us. I'll never forget.
What?
Well, I was thinking the famous shake company.
Oh, that. Sorry. I thought it was like Pepinos Locos.
No.
And you remember Ernesto's?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And that one place with the mural.
Yeah.
Well, we've had some nice meals along the way, haven't we?
I can tell them about the shake company, though. Those bastards at the shake company, they let us stand in line. Did we stand in line?
Yeah.
We stood in line.
Until we got to the window.
A long line of people.
And the people in front of us got
And
their order.
we were the last people in line. And they let the people in front of us order. And they got up there and they closed the window and said, "We're closed." Because it was like 4 o'clock or something, closing time, you know. We were so rightfully angry. But here, but we were the last customers and they let us order and they didn't close. They didn't say we're closing.
My nose is running because it's a little spicy and I love it. We love hot though, so you might find it very spicy, or you might find it mild. But it's kind of spicy, isn't it, huh?
It is spicy.
Man. The girls are missing us, but we'll bring them some of
My
this
nose
chicken.
is watering.
Mine too. It's watering.
We eat a lot of spicy food, y'all. In case you somehow didn't know that. Wonderfully spicy. I don't know what's happened to me, but I think I like cilantro.
Cilantro grows on you.
My tongue is burning in the most wonderful way.
Yeah, that's perfect. It just fills up your whole mouth. Instead of one specific place in your mouth. I'm gonna save some chicken for the girls.
Well, there's room in this bag to put the boxes right in there. So
Okay, good.
save whatever we want. I would like to save some for me.
Yeah.
And I think
I'm
I
eating
will.
mine.
Yeah.
Oh no. I'll have enough for the girls though.
Oh boy, okay.
It's a lot of food.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and there's the occasional motorcycle.
And they have hamburgers with excellent looking fries. Did you see the fries?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, they look good, man. If you would have seen the fries, we would have had to add them. But that's too much food right now. I keep finding more tacos. And here, do you? I must have had like 5 or 6. Maybe not.
I don't think I'm going to finish mine right now.
A lot.
But I'm happy about that. It's the hair on my hand doing this thing.
I don't see any hair. Oh yeah, I did. Just barely.
Me, knuckle dragger. Harry Hans.
Your first name is Harry and your last name is Hans?
Yeah.
That's funny because one of my dads was named Harry, and another dad, his last name was Hans, so they could have named me Harry Hands. But they didn't, thank goodness.
Okay, I'm gonna eat one more taco. I'm gonna be stuffed.
I think so. We'll walk it off on the way home.
I don't know if these guys have to use a generator to run these lights they're running, or if they got electricity out here, or
Yeah.
they got to do a lot of work to put this thing
Either
up.
that or they
this
plug
truck,
it in somewhere.
to get it started in the morning and to close it up at night.
The rice is excellent. It's perfect.
This sauce is incredible.
I think I will start tagging stuff on Instagram because I think it's rude to do that, but maybe it's not.
I'm moving shaving some of my pepper.
It's hot. This is just wonderful. Really nice people and beautiful food.
Very authentic setting. It's the real deal.
It's real good. The universe agreed.
Really wonderful. Really wonderful.
Just perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You from here, guys?
We live over that way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
By Capitol High.
Yeah. Behind Walmart. We were walking home and we smelled your food and we said, we're going in. Thank you. I hope we're not keeping you.
Yeah, okay.
Are we keeping you?
You have to wait for us to go so you can go.
Yeah, I wait for it. I had to order it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna go soon. We'll carry it and have some more later.
Almost done.
Yeah.
I'm full. So good.
Okay, I waited
Excellent. Thank you so much. Namyoho Renge Kyo.
We'll be
Thank
back.
you.
for it. Okay.
Yes.
Waiting for you.
Oh, thank you. How sweet.
Hey, it just, did it just make our phone? He made our phone, I think.
He
Oh,
did.
how nice. Oh, great.
He has
Oh, there you go. I think
He liked it.
thank you.
He
He wanted to say hello to all you wonderful folks out in the viewing audience.
I'm gonna share this one with like the Los Foodies Instagram hashtag thingy. I always like their stuff. I don't know, like it was some of those restaurants and stuff, I guess. I mean, like, hashtag it. That seems rude. Unless you know somebody real well. But I guess that's how I'll get to know them.
Yeah.
So, hello all you hashtaggies out there. You just met the most wonderful, sexiest,
That's my baby.
best, most awesome people in Santa Fe. And us too, right there. No, that's us.
We're humble. We're humble.
Yeah.
We're the humble.
You just met an awesome restaurant too. Little outdoor taco truck restaurant. It's like a restaurant. Okay.
Okay.
I think I'm ready to go because I finished my pepper.
Can't stop eating my food. I can't stop eating.
I'm gonna leave that in there. If you don't like cilantro, they'll have to leave it off, or just don't order anything that has cilantro because this is a lot. But I love it. Okay.
You're good combining if you want to.
No,
Doesn't really matter.
let's just leave it. I think. Oh, nothing happened to it. Alright.
Trying to show them what you got for the girls.
That's for the girls. They need baby blankets.
The girls, in
Doggy
case
almost
anybody
died
doesn't
the
know,
other
are
day.
the Chihuahua, the Chiweenie, and the cat, but the cat probably won't get one of those.
Huh?
Will the cat get one of those?
Yeah, she's
the
gonna
cat
get
gets one. Damn spoiled cat. No good spoiled, no good cat.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
Thank
good.
you.
Oh, whew, my mouth is on fire again.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. So. Okay.
Where'd my lid go?
Your lid? I don't know on that.
For my spicy sauce, which is making my nose water all over the place.
You just pour it on it.
Okay, that's good.
And then we'll just close up the deal in it if you want. I'm sorry for being bossy.
No, that was a smart idea. I don't know if I would have figured that out.
That can be trash. Can you take this? And this can go. Oh, I almost used all that salt. So.
That's up, baby? What's up, hat, my baby? Painted for me. I'm gonna put that on. It's cool, huh? It's cool. Okay, I'm gonna take that.
Make it fall. Okay, dude. We're wild. We got a wild heron king here. Okay, we're gonna shut you guys off for now. Thanks for joining this awesome little taco truck.